Okay, good morning everyone. My name is MOH'D, Competency Assessor for MOH'D. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Miss Lorraine Lumampi, our processing officer, and Valerie Bitech, our AC manager, and Miss Jonalyn Fernandez, our representatives from TESDA, Zamboanga Isabela District Office. Okay? You do not have to worry about their presence because they are here to oversee the conduct of assessment and to check if the conduct of assessment is in accordance with the prescribed competency assessment methodology and procedure. Okay? Before we start, okay, please submit your admission slip as I call your name. Okay, please acknowledge by raising your hand and sign the attendance. Okay, I have here your account-based application forms and some assessment guides. Okay, this is an indication that you know and you can perform all the units of competency enumerated for SMAO and C2. Okay, I would like to welcome you all to our center for your assessment for shielded metal arc welding and C2. Okay, may I ask you what would be your purpose for taking this assessment? Okay, thank you. Today we are going to administer competency assessment for SMAO and C2. Okay, the qualification is composed of basic, common, and core competencies. Okay, for first core competency, we have namely the weld carbon steel plates and pipe using mount. Okay, you will be given 6 hours to demonstrate the task. When you hear the first bell, it only means you have 30 minutes. And second bell, it means it's 5 minutes left, and while the last bell, both means it's time's up. Okay, are we clear? Okay, I will collect the evidence through demonstrations and oral questioning. And this assessment method can help to measure your underpinning knowledge and skills. Okay, for your personal needs, the laboratory is located at the ground floor of this building, and you can also take your meal at our canteen. It is located near the entrance gate. However, during the assessment, you are not allowed to leave the premise of the assessment center. Okay, if you have difficulty to understand the given instructions, or if you have questions, or there's new need for you to clarify matter concerning the assessment, you may raise your hand because I am more than willing to assess you. But once the assessment is started, please refrain from asking questions. Okay, it is no longer allowed. If you have physical or any form of difficulty to, okay, do not hesitate to call my attention, and so that I can be addressed immediately. Okay, in case you have any questions regarding the assessment result, you have the right to appeal, and you can submit your appeal to the TESDA district office, where the assessment center and we, the assessor, are accredited. Okay, for the insurance of the national certificate, you can claim it on TESDA district office with 1 working day after the assessment. Okay, after the assessment, you are found to be not yet competent. Do not worry about it because you can be reassessed anytime at your own convenience. But if you fell into consecutive at your own convenience, assessment, you will be advised to undergo a refresher course before applying for reassessment. Okay, during the actual assessment, please observe safety as you can perform the different tasks. In case of accident, please call my attention immediately so that we can provide you a first aid. Okay, the first aid cabinet is located at the left corner of the assessment area. Okay, with regards to the result, it's only made available to authorized personnel and to the institutional where you had your actual training. Okay, in relations to this, the assessment package is kept in a secured place to guarantee the integrity of the assessment package. Okay, in the above, may I ask all the candidates to refrain from giving away any form of information that took place during the assessment process. Okay, if you do not have questions or clarifications, then I'm going to distribute the specific instruction. Okay, please read it carefully and do not hesitate to ask questions right now. Okay, we may able to translate it from English to your local dialect. And also, I shall now assign your number. Your number you will be able to perform later. Okay? Jainuddin Sitiamina, you are candidate number 1, and Majida Jainuddin, you are candidate number 10. Okay, pass it now. Okay, let us now proceed at the assessment area. Come here. Okay, this is your assessment area. As you can see, we have the practical area and the support service area as the quality control area. Please observe safety at all time. Also, because of its pandemic, observe the COVID health protocols. Okay, if there are no more questions, you may now start. And also, candidate number 1, Yamina, you may now start. And also, Jainuddin Majida, candidate number 10, you may also start. Okay, after the demonstrations of candidate number 10, proceed with one-on-one oral questioning. Okay, are you done? Okay, where do you place the ground clamp on the welding machine? Okay, thank you. Okay, Jainuddin Sitiamina, are you done? Okay, please sit down. Okay, where do you place the electrode holder on the welding machine? Okay, thank you. Okay, after the oral questioning, I'll go into the TM1 assessor. Okay, please wait. Ate Nandita. Okay, candidate number 1, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, we are now on the last phase of the assessment. Okay, would you like to drink some water?
No.
Okay, alright. How was your assessment?
It's good.
Okay, if you are to rate yourself from 1 to 10, what would it be?
10.
Okay, yes, I agree. My observation coincides with your actions. What I like about your demonstrations is that you perform the various tasks with speed and correctly, and you are like a professional welder. For your oral questioning, you are able to answer the questions correctly. What do you think are your areas for improvements? And what do you need to do? Okay, yes, make sure before cutting the metals, you double check if the measurement is accurate. Okay, so for your overall performance, you are competent. Congratulations! You may see the AC manager after the assessment. Okay, you may now claim your NC certificate 1 day after the assessment in TESDA, Zamboanga, Isabela, District Office located at Tulungan, San Roque in this city. Okay, please present your cards and prepare 50 pesos and 2 pieces passport size picture with white background. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, candidate number 10. How are you?
I'm great.
Okay, we are now on the last phase of the assessment. Would you like to drink some water?
No.
Okay, alright. How was your assessment?
It's good.
Okay, yes, I agree. My observations coincide with your actions. But what I like about your demonstrations is that you have the speed in tack weld. Okay, you were also cut the metal properly. For your oral questionings, you were able to answer some of the questions correctly. Okay, what do you think are your areas for improvements, and what do you need to do? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Yes, you will try to focus and practice more on tack weld. Okay, properly. So for your overall performance, sorry you are not yet confident, but don't worry about it. You can still be reassessed anytime at your convenience. But failing into 2 consecutive assessments would mean that you need to undergo a refresher course. Okay, just see the IC manager later for your re-applications of your assessment. Okay, that's all for today. Congratulations to Miss Janudin Majida. And sorry for the reassessment, Janudin Sitiamina. Maybe this is your okay, sorry. Okay, Janudin Sitiamina. Sorry for this time. This is not your time, but don't give up. But okay, Janudin Sitiamina. So sorry for the result. Maybe this is not your time, but hopefully next time you'll be given the opportunity for this assessment. Okay, thank you everyone, and God bless.